Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable archiving your stories on Facebook using your PC, especially with the new update that makes managing your stories easier than ever. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find your profile photo again, but this time, click on it to access additional options related to your profile. From here, you'll want to navigate to the settings area to customize your story preferences. Next, look for the settings and privacy option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This will expand to show more options. Select settings to enter the main settings page where you can control various aspects of your Facebook experience. Once inside the settings, scroll down or use the search bar to find the Stories section. This is where you can manage everything related to your Facebook stories. Click on Stories to open the story settings. Here you'll see an option to enable archiving your stories. Simply toggle this option on. Enabling this feature means that all your stories will be automatically saved to your archive, allowing you to revisit them anytime, even after they disappear from your public profile after 24 hours. That's it. You've successfully enabled story archiving on Facebook using your PC. Now, you can enjoy sharing moments without worrying about losing them, as they'll be safely stored in your archive for future viewing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.